Tired of spending hours creating engaging videos from scratch? Today, we'll show you how to create captivating video templates in Aisensy, so you can streamline your marketing and customer engagement efforts. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Video Templates section. This is usually found in the Marketing or Content Creation area of the dashboard. Click on the Create New Template button to start designing your video. You'll be presented with a blank canvas or a selection of pre-designed templates. Browse through the available templates and choose one that best suits your needs. Consider the purpose of your video, whether it's a promotion, announcement, or personalized message. Once you've selected a template, you can customize it to match your brand. Change the colors, fonts, and background images to reflect your brand identity. Add your text. Craft compelling headlines, descriptions, and calls to action that resonate with your audience. Upload your own images or videos to personalize the template. Further, use high-quality visuals that grab attention and convey your message effectively. Experiment with animations and transitions to add visual interest to your video. Aisensy offers a variety of options to make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Preview your video template to ensure it looks perfect. Make any necessary adjustments to the design, text, or animations. Save your video template so you can easily use it for future campaigns. Give it a descriptive name so you can quickly find it later. Now you can use your custom video template in your marketing campaigns, announcements, or personalized messages. Creating video templates in Aisensy is a simple way to create visually appealing content that captivates your audience and delivers your message effectively. Start creating yours today.